Hey guys, welcome back. I'm very excited to do this module because I think this is one of the best modules in the entire course. Because in this module, I'm going to teach you how to generate viral content ideas using AI. Now, in this video, this is going to be kind of a longer video because I'm going to be going over 5 different ways that we can use AI to come up with viral content ideas that are proven ideas that have gone viral over and over again, and how you can use it for yourself. So there's multiple ways that we're going to show you. Some are free, some are paid. But the first one I want to show you is just a ChatGPT prompt to come up with new ideas. And again, this is free. You can do this free. When it says free here, it just means you don't have to pay for it, basically. So here we go. So we're going to use this one right here. In this one, this prompt you have to use after the last module, which is coming up with the 3 content types, because we're going to give you, if you look down here, we're going to give you 14 ideas for like each content type. So it's going to be 42 content ideas in total. Okay. So let's copy this right here. And we're going to go back here and we're going to use the same chat as we've been using throughout all these modules so far. We're just going to paste this in here. And again, the only thing you need to change here is the goal for your content. So explain what the goal is with your content. Let's say your goal is to get more clients for your service. That's what you can put down there. If your goal is to educate people on a specific topic, that's what you can put as your goal. But let's say the primary goal of my content is to teach people, right? It's to teach people how to use AI, teach people how to use AI to help automate content creation and lead them, right? And let's say get them to become a client and get those interested to buy my service, which is creating, let's say, scripts for them, creating scripts and edits for them, which my agency actually does. So for all you that are unaware, I have my own agency where we actually do script out content for other people and we edit their content as well. So that's kind of the primary purpose for my content. And that's the only thing you have to do. But again, you do have to use this prompt after you use the one in the previous video, which was showing like the 3 proven content formats. Okay. So when we press this, what we're going to do is we're going to get 42 different content ideas. Again, 14 of them are going to be for the engagement content type. 14 of them are going to be for the authority content type. And then 14 of them are going to be for the sales content type. Now, for these, what you're going to see here. So what it's giving us is just a bunch of different ones based off these categories. So again, in this, I say every content idea should fall into one of these categories, which is tools, showing hacks, showing steps by steps, showing a listicle, showing like a secret, going over a controversial take, or going over something opinionated. So if you see here, we have a bunch of different ideas here. Okay. So we have like 5 AI tools every content creator needs to know. Top 3 AI softwares for easy content planning. Again, those are great. Those are 2 great content ideas. Quick AI tricks for SEO ready content. Boost engagement with these AI copyright hack. That's a great piece of content. Steps to automate your content calendar with AI. That's good. How to set up an AI powered analytics in no time. 7 AI integrations you can't ignore in 2023. That's a great idea for a piece of content. And again, these are all, again, engagement style content. Okay. Then for authority style, again, authority style is more opinionated. It's more focusing on a specific problem. Here we have why AI will never replace human content creators. That is a great piece of content to create as well. AI and content strategy, innovative or just lazy. Again, it's more of an opinionated type of content. Step by step, crafting a personalized content experience with AI. How to. Then some other ones here. Debunking the hype. AI isn't a magic solution. And then here for sales content, we have our top AI tool picks for ROI tracking. Again, the difference with sales and authority style content is you go from you to I. You're talking about what you're doing to get your success or to get results. So here we go. AI editing tips to triple your content output. Set up your first AI assisted campaign. 10 reasons our AI scripting service beats competitors. That's a good one. 6 ways our clients enhance their content with our AI tools. Again, that's a great piece of content to create. Our AI services fosters a viral campaign, and so on. So again, this is going to give you a ton of content ideas for each content type here that you can use. And again, if you want, you can literally just keep rerunning this prompt with maybe different goals here. So again, here for the prompt, you're explaining your goals. So you can just keep changing your goals up here for, let's say, your content, and you keep getting a bunch of different content types, okay? Or content ideas. So this is a really good prompt. So that's the first way to come up with a bunch of content ideas. The second way is YouTube transcript. So let me show you exactly how to use this one. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go on YouTube and find a video that gives tips/value on the topic you want to write about. Okay, so maybe you find a creator that you look up to on YouTube, find a video that kind of relates to the same type of content you want to create as well. Then what you want to do is you want to copy the link of the video and go to this website called YouTube Transcript. So I already have a video up here. So I'm just going to copy, actually it's my own video. I'm just going to copy my own video. Here I just got to pause it because I know it's going to play out loud. So I'm going to copy my own link. I'm going to paste it into this website because what's going to happen is that it's going to give me the transcript of the entire video here, of the entire YouTube video. And then what you have to do is you then have to go to ChatGPT. I'm going to create a new chat for this. And then you want to put into this prompt. So here we go. So basically here, the prompt is, you're an expert at writing engaging video scripts for TikTok. First, read the following transcript. Do not do anything else. Just say, okay, when you're ready for further instructions. And then here, you're going to paste the transcript from YouTube Transcript. Okay. So all you're going to do is paste this prompt down here, then copy the YouTube transcript here. And to copy, you can just press this button right here. I'll just move myself back. And then replace this text right here with the transcript. So this is the transcript of my entire YouTube video. And then when you press this, it's not going to do anything. It's just going to say, okay. And it's going to say, wait for further instructions. So we'll just wait for that to happen. Let it read it. See, okay. And then now to get the content ideas, then you're going to use this second prompt right here, which is using the transcript above, come up with 10 ideas for 1-minute educational videos. So basically what this does is that you're getting ChatGPT to read out the entire transcript, and then based on the video and the entire transcript, it's going to give you 10 ideas to create for, videos that you can create for TikTok. So it's basically taking one YouTube video and turning into 10 plus short form content ideas. So what you're going to see here, here you go. It's creating your own thing. And here we go. It's giving us 10 ideas. So my video here was on how to make your first 100K from a faceless Instagram account. So I was showing people how to create a faceless Instagram account and then how to monetize it. That's what this video was about here. And then the ideas it's generating for me is creating your AI avatar, a step-by-step guide showing viewers how to create their unique AI avatar. Again, that would be a great piece of content to create for short form, which I actually did create for short form. Another one here, exploring AI voice generation. So talking about synthetic voice creation. Again, another good idea. Animation management with AI. Effective client acquisition strategies. I do talk about that in that video. So this will also be a great idea to create content on. Content creation with AI assistance, scaling your AI agency to 6 figures, organic marketing secrets for success. So what you can do essentially here, though, is get a bunch of videos from creators that you look up to and then put them into YouTube Transcript, put down this prompt, and then basically what you can do is like from 10 ideas, maybe you get like 2 or 3 really good ideas that you could create content about. Okay? So that's how you get a bunch more ideas using YouTube Transcript in ChatGPT. It's a very simple, process, but this one will definitely help. Like even what I would even recommend is find a video that has gone viral from a creator that you're going to create similar content as, and then use that video here, and then just create maybe take 2 or 3 topics that are generated for you and create content about it. Okay. Now, the third way to come up with content ideas is Viral Finder. Now, Viral Finder is a paid platform, but this is going to give you proven viral content ideas that have already gone viral before. So all you have to do is go to Viral Finder, and I put the link here. And then I already have it open, though. And then all you have to do is go to user search and put down the username of someone, again, who you look up to, who is killing it with their content. And then what it's going to do, it's going to rank all their videos by like the most views and most engagement. So I'm just going to use myself here. So we're just going to put only Zeta, which is my own thing, and then search. And then again, what you're going to see, I'm not sure how long this is going to take exactly, but what you're going to see is that all my videos are going to be ranked by the most views and most engagement. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm just going to pause this for a second, and then I'll restart again when this is actually done. All right, guys, we're back, and Viral Finder is done going through my videos. So if you see here, all my videos here have been ranked by the most views and most engagements. So what you can do here is, again, find a creator that you want to take inspiration from, that you like the videos that they're creating, put their username here, and then you can order, and then all their videos, again, will be ordered by the most amount of views and likes. And then what you could do is use their ideas as inspiration. Don't copy the video exactly, obviously, but just use like the same format, use the same idea, and then just create it for your own video. And the good thing is, again, you already know that these ideas are proven. They've already gone viral before for these creators that you input here. So they should work for you as well. Like they should do pretty good for you. So that's why I recommend Viral Finder, is so you can find proven viral content ideas from your favorite creators. So that's Viral Finder, but Viral Finder is really only for Instagram, I believe. I don't think you could use it for TikTok. So to use it for TikTok, what you would do next is you would use Sort on TikTok, which is actually free. So all you have to do to get this, though, is go to this link and download the Chrome extension here. And then what you need to do is you would go on TikTok, again, find a creator who you look up to and want to create similar videos as, and then click on their profile and just press the extension. So again, I have myself here, but what's going to happen is all you have to do is when you get the Google extension is click on this, press start, and then what you're going to see is that all the videos are now going to be, it's going to go through all the videos of the creator that you put down. It's going to rank them by the most views. So again, as you see, it was very quick. So it ranked all mine by most views. And again, what you can do is just look at the videos with the most views and then use those as inspiration for your next video, or just use them as inspiration for videos coming up. And again, that will give you proven content ideas because they have already gone viral for another creator. So they should go viral for you too, or just get more views. So again, that's Sort for TikTok. So I would definitely use that to help you come up with more content ideas. And then the last method I want to show you is called Headline Generator. And again, this one is a free software. It'll come up with a bunch of new content ideas they can create content on. And it is one of my favorite softwares if I get stuck for coming up with content ideas. Because for Title Generator, all you need to do for Title Generator is just write down a keyword that relates to what you talk about in your content. So again, if you're selling email marketing, you want to talk about email marketing, you would put it here. If you want to talk about video editing, you would put it here. But in our sake, we're just going to talk about content creation, which I already have there. And then when you press get headlines, what you're going to see is that it's going to come up with over 700 headlines that you can use for your own videos or use as inspiration for a video. So for example, here we have how to find the right content creation for your specific product or service. This study will perfect your content creation. Read or miss out. Content creation is crucial to your business. Learn why. Again, that's a content idea you can create about. 10 secret things you didn't know about content creation. Again, another great idea to create content about. Find out now what should you do for fast content creation. So some of these won't make sense, but some of them will be really good ideas that you can create for your own piece of content. And again, they have over 700 that you could go through. So like this is only just page one, all of this. Like this one, never lose your content creation again. Obviously, that doesn't make any sense. But here, this one's actually a really good one. Avoid the top 10 content creation mistakes. Like that's a really good piece of content there to create. And again, they have 3 different pages. So over 700 ideas that you can use to help you come up with content ideas. Okay, guys? So those were 5 different ways to come up with endless, irresistible content ideas. My favorite out of all of these, I would say, is probably using this ChatGPT prompt up here, using YouTube transcript, because again, if you could find an already viral video and then take like the main points from that video, it should do good on like Instagram or TikTok. And then I would say sort on TikTok as well, again, by finding a top creator, sorting all their videos by the most views, and then just repurposing their videos. Obviously not copying it like step by step, but repurposing it. You may be using the same idea, but just changing up like the wordage, obviously. So those are the 5 ways that I would come up with endless content ideas. And again, if you use these 5 ways, this should be enough for you to have content ideas for months ahead. Okay, guys. But that's it for this one. Take a look at those. And again, if you want a link to this Notion board, it will be below this. It'll be a link below this video. Okay, guys, take it easy. I'll see you in the next one.